To define a circle or to draw a circle in SolidWorks, the first thing is to enter a plane. After entering a plane, go to Sketch tab to select your circle tool and come back to your sketch area. Click your starting point, the origin of the circle. Drag your mouse to define the diameter. Click and press Escape key. Doing so, you notice that the circle color is blue. This is showing that it is underdefined. And to fully define the circle, you need to define its location and give it dimension. So I'm going to define its location now by adding coincidence relationship to this circle origin and this sketch area origin. So to do that, I will hold down my control key, select this origin and the circle of the center, and then add coincidence relationship. I have defined the origin of the position of the circle. So the other thing I'm going to define is the dimension of the circle, which is the diameter or radius of the circle. To do that, I'm going to select Smart Dimension tool, click here and drag my cursor away to define the location of the circle, and dialog box appears. Then I insert my dimension, click enter. Now you can see the blue color has changed to black, which simply means the circle is fully defined. So this is how to define if this is how to draw a fully defined circle in SolidWorks. Thank you.